This guy came ready to eat. He starts with a giant slice of salmon, dips it in iced soy sauce, and takes it down in 2 bites like it's a snack. Then it's one sushi roll after another. Baked, fried, classic. He even combines a few just for fun. Quick sip of Diet Coke, then he finishes strong with a pile of crab salad. No talking, just business.